Hi, once again, welcome back to Shafimon.com. I'm Shafimon with you. Today I bring to unbox the new Crane 2 from Zhiyun, which I will unbox in front of all of you, so we will see what is there inside. It's a huge box which is a bit heavy, so we hope there will be something heavy inside. So let me open this one. So here we have a shoulder strap here. Nowadays most of the products which is coming along with the shoulder strap, and I think there is a box inside. Yes, oh my god, it's a bit heavy. And there is one small packet. This is called anti-slip grip tape. So this we can use for anti-slip grip as grip tape. So let me keep this here, so we'll have a nice background. Okay, we'll open this. Wow, it's a nice small box, which is it's a nice small carry box, and we have an envelope which contain instruction manual and a warranty card as well. So we just keep this as a side, and this is the box from Zhiyun. We get a nice box which have a handle also, so we can carry for any location. So let me open this. Wow, this is the things which is inside the box. You can all see in the box. In the first look, what all we have a battery charger, detachable battery set, 3 batteries, and tripod, of course the gimbal, and there is one small box also. We will see what is there inside. So let me keep this one here. This one is 2000 mAh battery. So one battery is 2000 mAh, so 3 batteries are there. So the power we can have more, so total 6000 mAh. Zhiyun said this can be working time 18 hours, so that's why they have a good backup battery system. And this battery is a detachable one, so if we have extra batteries, we can add it to our collection, and while we are shooting, if we are shooting for a long time, while we are shooting, we can keep it the other set for charging. And for that they provide a nice charger also. So this is a USB charger, so you can charge from anywhere, from power bank, from electric, anywhere from you want. Let me take up the gimbal system. This is the gimbal system from Zhiyun. Let me just come closer so you all can see. Okay, in the first look, it's a heavy thing, but the gimbal system which gives us for carrying the weight, it is more weight than the previous ones. This can support up to 3.2 kilo payload, 3.2 kilo gear system you can support on that. If you fix your camera here, you can fix your camera system. 3.2 is more than enough for any DSLR with lens. So usually a DSLR with lens will come around 2.8, 2.9, maximum 3 kilo. So this is more than enough, especially if you are using a mirrorless camera, which will be amazing. The thing is, like all the gimbal system nowadays, it's a bit heavy. This also it's good, but the casing and all is a bit heavy. And here about this one, if you open this, you can see one connector here, and here you have one USB. This is for charging. And in the front dial There is many buttons and display dial also. This is the one and only gimbal coming with a display dial. In this display dial you can see the settings from here, and here is the joystick, so you can control your gimbal action through this joystick, and you can record here your camera. If you can, there is some cables available with this one. You can connect this one to your camera and you can put recording here. Also you can control the live view and the settings of the camera here. Then you can change the modes also, so you can take the modes from this dial. And also the main advantage of this gimbal is follow focus. If you're fixing a follow focus motor on the gimbal, you can control the focusing with your finger like this. So this is the one of the main advantage. And let us see what is here. This is the detachable battery area. It's a nice threaded one, so it's stronger. So here you can fix your batteries inside. So once you fix the battery and once you mount the camera, the gimbal will work perfect. Let me close this. This is just only sponge, I'm not removing it, but okay. So this is all about the gimbal, and let us see one part by part. Here you have a screw thread. If you remove this screw thread, we can adjust this area horizontally. You can adjust, and once you finish horizontally adjustment, then you go to the next stage of adjustment. It is the other section. You remove this and you can adjust. This one depends on your camera in any distance from here. Also you have a beautiful plate here. For this plate you have an adjustment here. You remove this one, you can adjust your plate also. So this is how you will fix your camera. Once you fix your camera, adjust as your distance, like balance mounting, then you adjust this one and this one, so you can adjust in 3 direction. And also here you have a stand, something like stand. This stand also you can adjust from top to bottom. So this will support your lens. It's not only supporting your body from here, your body will fix here. Once the lens is projecting from here, your lens can sit on this one, so it will have more control on the stabilization. So this is all about the gimbal. It's very nicely made. They give their symbol logo here, Zhiyun, and they have nice I don't know, it's Chinese something. Maybe this is also the written Zhiyun, but it looks nice, like an art. And this is all about this gimbal. It's a great build, stronger, and you know, good handling also. And if we there is a tripod thread here, we can directly mount this on any plate and mount it on any tripod, but already they Zhiyun, they provide a small tripod which you can attach here. So what the advantage is, this tripod, if you are using 2 hands for controlling, you can control it like this, and you know, you can stretch it like that, and you can easily stretch like this. And so this is also one advantage. And if you open this tripod, you can keep it on any place, like stand. So this is all about that one. And in the packet there is a small pack also. What is there inside? This is all the cables are there. In every cable they return. This is for Panasonic camera, and this is for Nikon camera, this is for Canon camera. So they have cables for the all cameras. Why cables? If you connect the cable with this gimbal, you can control the live view and the other things which is here. So this is also an advantage for this one. So this is all about Zhiyun Crane 2. It is a recent product from Zhiyun. and it's a fast moving and most wanted product for wedding photographers and filmmakers. It's a professional material. The cost around is 200 Kuwaiti dinar. I taken from this from AAB World Kuwait. They are the sellers for Crane 2 in Kuwait, and you can see the results and reviews in my website. You can follow my website shafimon.com, and you can see my test reviews and unboxing videos in my YouTube channel Shafimon. My YouTube channel is Magic Hand 07. So if you follow Magic Hand 07, you can see my reviews, unboxing, and all videos. If you like this video, you can share with your friends, and stay tuned. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you so much for watching.